still in this short. So we are still in the short. So for the micro, we already hit the target and the second contract break even. This one here, actually, it's a big trade so far. So I'm gonna now secure some profit on this trade. It's a big, you guys can see now, we are up almost now 100 ticks now. So, and by the way, the pre-market, so almost 2 grand now in this trade. Come on, this is a big freaking trade. Let's secure some profit. We are up 2 grand now. So let's secure some profit from this trade. So I secured now from this trade so far. Let's see how many ticks I secured. That was a big move downside. Come on. There we go. So I secured from this trade so far. I secured, oh my freaking shit. I secured 220 ticks and I'm out. So I'm out now at $1,135 profit in one trade in the morning. Beautiful. So this actually our first trade in the morning. Okay, so this is our first trade. We are up 1,135. This nice short. Okay, and we'll see. Very nice start of the session. $1,000 in less than a minute. It's cool. Can you guys hear me well? In the trading room, in YouTube, everything? And yeah, no positions so far. We're flat now. And we'll see. Thanks, Dave. Did you catch the short? This week's so nice. Oh man. You can, by the way, you can't tell the system how it work, by the way. It's just let you know. Just open your laptop and take the trade. Yeah. You don't need to, you can actually have, yeah, Jeff, right? Yeah. It's a very nice, clean, short trade, yeah. Very quick. So very clean and nice. I mean, you don't need like setup for trading or this kind of things. I used to have like 5 screens and all this setup. Like, I mean, I make myself look like a trader, but it was bullshit. You don't need that. Just laptop, one chart, take the trade. That's it. All right, let's see if we have any other trades. Next one, okay. Morning, Max. Good morning. Yep. So yeah, it's yep. And then I don't know. I'm trying to book the flight, so I'm I don't know where I'm gonna go in Egypt. I'm assuming most likely by Monday or Sunday. Let's see. So I'll let you know, guys, if I if I go to Egypt this weekend, most likely I'm not gonna be able to trade on Monday. Hopefully Tuesday. Yep. Right. Give me a moment. I will be back. trades? Not yet. Not yet. Let's make some coffee. Yeah, my French press. Who is here drinking French coffee French press? New template, uploaded template. Members area. Oh man, not yet. Not yet. Today it will be uploaded. Today. Thank you, man. Thank you. Come on. We'll see. Brad, make $2,700 in this trade? Wow. Did you exit here? Like, did you take the whole trade? Like from? Because actually, market moving 464 ticks actually. So it was a big move. So, did you take the whole trade or what? I stopped out around here. So I did like maybe like 160 or 170 ticks. Well, well, well. Yeah, the pre-market didn't take any trades. It does yesterday. Did yesterday pre-market and swing. Yeah, ATM template will be in a members only today. Yeah. So yesterday the pre-market and the swing 5 was up around $1,200. Both of them. Yesterday was a big winner. Like pre-market template and swing 5, or each one was around 1,200. The trail movement was up yesterday. I forgot, maybe like a grand, maybe more. Yeah. So nice trade yesterday. It was a good day yesterday. No, actually no. The trail yesterday was down $300. Sorry about that. Because we catch two losing trades and then we catch the last 12. So yeah. But we'll see. We'll see. Come on. We'll see. slowing down now after this move. Just expect it. See if we have another one. Another one. Come on. For the micro, all of them hit the first target and then hit back and then hit the break even for the second one. All of them. But you know, the trailing make the biggest one. You can also, by the way, you can use different ATM template. Let's say, you know, 6 contracts, whatever, and just trail them, all of them. Like just like you can say, like, okay, I'm on a new template. Let's say 6 contract, and I'm gonna, you know, my stop loss. Let's say 100 ticks, profit. Let's say 500, and I'm gonna just trail it. That's it. So I'm gonna say, okay, once a profit hit, let's say 100 ticks, move my stop loss 100 ticks. Every, let's say 20 ticks. And when the market hit 40, let's say 300 ticks, tied my stop to 80 every 10 ticks, let's say. And when the market, let's say, hit 400 ticks, move my stop loss to 60 every 10 ticks. You can do that. So in this scenario, you're not gonna be, there is no break even, so the market gonna move the 6 contract micro behind the market without break even or anything. So you can the big chance to catch trade like this on this contract. There's also, it's gonna be similar, like little bit that like this one, similar, right? But keep in mind, if the market go ahead, if the market go less than 100 ticks and move up, it can hit your stop. This also the you know, other side, but it's a good template. You can actually name it whatever you're gonna name it, right? You can save it this, like say in template 10, whatever. There we go, template 10. And all you do is just go to strategy, add this template in here, and it will take the trade from this template. You know? Oh, that's it. Oh, if you hit your profit target for the day, that's it. That should be it. But keep in mind, this template, it needs the market to have a nice move like this. Okay? If there is a sideway market, like very choppy, moving in this very tight direction, it will lose big time. Post a live stream on the channel. You must, by the way, the live stream in the channel already. You can rewatch the live stream anytime you want. It's already in the channel. I'm gonna also in Members Day, I'm gonna add a video about how to make an ATM, and I'm gonna explain in details what each one of this means. Like, what does this means? Like profit, like break even, steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. It's very simple, man. So here you got the contract, whatever you wanna trade. Here you wanna, if you wanna, let's say on 6 micros, let's say you wanna make it whatever 6 the same, or you can add more here. Let's say you wanna add 6 contract, and then you wanna add, this one is like 3, and this one is 2, and this one is 1, whatever. You can divide them, you can do make whatever, but make sure the numbers here are equal here. Right, the number here is equal here. And then you add a stop loss. You can make different stop loss for each one, or the same, doesn't matter. Different profit target or the same, it doesn't matter. And then you can go to each one here, and for stop strategy, you can go to custom. You can move this one at break even after certain ticks. Let's say I want to move this break even after 80 ticks. Plus means plus, if I say plus 2 ticks, so it's gonna add break even plus 2 ticks. So sometimes you use this to cover the commission. That's it. So it's not gonna be exact break even. It's gonna break even plus few ticks if you want, 5, 6, 10, whatever. And then you can use auto trail, which you use already here in the micros. So auto trail, we can make step 1, which means when the market hit profit, 100 ticks, whatever, 80, whatever you choose, it's 100 ticks. Move my stop loss, how many ticks? Let's say 80 ticks. So in this, and frequency. Frequency means each tick. If you press 1, it's gonna be 1. I don't like this because this is gonna be, the market moving is very fast. Market might pass your stop loss. So I like to make it slower a little bit. Like I like to make it like 10 ticks, especially for NQ. Right? So if you use 10 ticks, mean every 10 ticks, whenever the market move 100 ticks, stop loss will be behind 80. And you can make step 2. You can tie your stop. Now, if I am in profit 200 ticks, and instead of moving my stop loss 80 ticks, moving 40. Every 10 ticks. Now you tied your stop loss now when you hit profit target 200. Now you can make step 3. Let's say move my stop, and then when I hit profit 300, move my stop loss, let's say 24 ticks, which is just not realistic. 40 ticks, most likely will hit your stop. So I like to use it like 100, 80, 60, whatever. I like to start always with 100, by the way, and then reduce it to 80, and then 60 when I get more profit. Right? And then you profit target here, let's say 500, whatever. Say make it 3 and 3, and this one is 500, and stop loss 100, 100. And you can also say, okay, if the market move in my favor, let's say 95 ticks, where is my first target here? Oh, and the first one, profit target is, let's say 80 ticks. You want to get the first target, the first one. You can say, okay, if the market move in my favor 75 ticks, you can add it or no. By the way, because we add the break even, we can also remove the break even. Like, if this template has no break even for the second contract, it will actually catch this trade. Because we move break even, it hit our break even. We can move the break even. Right? So you can say, okay, no break even. So it hit my stop, hit my target. I'm gonna trade my second one as this, and no break even here. Whatever, you know, it's really simple, man. It's not hard. The break even will protect you if the market very choppy. Just to let you know. But what you can do, and instead of break even, you can say, okay, if the market hit my first target 80 ticks, I want to risk only 80 ticks in the second contract, in the second half. Which means if it hit my stop, I'll be flat. I'm not going to lose anything. So I want to still give the market room to breathe, but I'm not going to tie my stop break even. I'm going to keep it, but if it come back, hit my second contract, I'm not going to lose. I will be already flat. 80 ticks profit, 3, 80 ticks profit, 80 ticks loss, the other 3, done. The way you do that is the first one here, you remove this break even thing from here. And for the second one, now we want to hit, once hit profit target, you want your stop loss to be 80. Alright? You're gonna remove this also, and you're gonna add one here. Okay, if my profit trigger is 80, move my stop loss 80. One any frequency, make it 999. Why 999? If it's like 999, which means it's gonna happen every 999 ticks, which is not gonna happen. So, which means it's gonna happen once, just once. So if you wanna make the frequency happen just once, one time, make it big number, like 9999, whatever like this. So if you say, okay, profit trigger 80, stop loss 80. 999, which means once the second first half hit the target, the second will be stop loss at 80 distance, one time, and then start trailing here. Okay, if the target hit 100 ticks, or let's say, yeah, 100 ticks, start moving my stop loss 100 ticks, every 10 ticks, and if like 300, like 200 ticks, whatever, move my stop loss 80. In this scenario, you are not tightening your stop, so it's not break even anymore, but you had the idea. Yeah. Oh guys, something I did wrong here, I forgot. Again, if you wanna, if you wanna move your stop, the second half to be risking the same risk, let's say you the first half 80 ticks profit, and you wanna lose only 80 ticks in the second half. I forgot this. This is not gonna be 80, it's gonna be 160. So when the market hit 80 ticks, your stop loss now will be 160. And stop frequency 999. Why 160? Because if you move it 80 ticks, we break even. You know what I mean? So if the market moved 80 ticks right here, and you said, okay, second contract, if hit 80 ticks, move my stop loss 80 ticks, it would be break even. So same, you're not doing anything. But if you said 160 ticks, it's gonna be up here. So 160 ticks is double the profit, which means if the market go against you, hit your stop loss will be only 80 ticks. Distance between your target, your the market, which already hit the 80 against you, 160. So you're gonna only lose 80 ticks. So in this scenario, the second half will be way above, give the market room to breathe, and even if you hit the stop, you'll be break even. You're not gonna lose any money if the first target hit. That's the idea. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you're not gonna be risking 100 ticks anymore. You're gonna be risking, instead of 100 ticks up, it will be 60 ticks stop. So you're gonna move down a little bit, but it's not gonna be break even. So if you use this in this scenario here, you will catch this trade, the second half, for sure. You catch this trade, maybe stop around here. Okay? But again, this gonna be, you have to back test it because this is gonna be a little bit tricky for the sideways market. So what you can do is do playback each day and just run it. Make ATM and run it. See which one is make more money. Do it like for 20 days. Playback day by day, but you have to do it day by day, or run it the whole like max and see what it's doing. So that's the idea. That is the idea. We'll see. If I'm thinking about new updates, I know that I'm doing a lot of updates, but my thought is if we can actually, because when you're using it on ATM, you cannot backtest it. You cannot go to like trade performance and backtest the strategy using the ATM. It's not gonna do anything. No, it's not gonna do anything because Ninja doesn't allow that for using it on ATM. But if we can, in the system itself, we can do the same thing here. It can be done. Like instead of using ATM, we can say, okay, here in the system itself, make a block here for the ATM. Same thing. Use, how many contract total, if you want to divide them, how many, break even or not, same structure like this one. Same structure, but inside the structure. If this is done, woo, wow, that would be fucking good, man. Like you can actually pick whatever you want and just in 5 minutes test it. That's it. The whole year in 10 minutes, and you see if it's good or not. So it's gonna give you estimation of how actually the ATM is better or not. It might be the new version. I'm making a lot of versions, but I want to make it as perfect as it could be. Come on. let's see. No trade so far. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Some people they do hedging, which is very dangerous, by the way, which means I've said a lot, but it's very dangerous. So let's say you're short here. It's gonna be only if the market go against you. So let's say, I will say a different way. Okay. So let's say you have a signal and the signal lets you short here, short, right here, short, and the market go against you. And instead of going in your target, it go against you. And your stop loss is like above here, let's say. Let's say this is your stop loss, and this is your entry right here, right? And this is your target, let's say. And market go against you. So the distance between your entry and stop loss, let's say 119 ticks, right? So some people do actually, they put buy limit, so you're really short. They do a buy limit in the middle. So buy limit in, let's say, 60 ticks or 50 ticks in here. So the market go against you, you already buy limit, you already buy the market, so you're gonna have two positions now, long and short. Buy limit, you're gonna be long now, short. So once you have a buy limit here, it will actually stop the short and get the long, and your target's gonna be here. If this has happened, then you're gonna be break even. And you could also move your stop and make money out of this losing trade. It's called hedging stop loss. It is have a point, but it's very dangerous. Because if the market goes sideways and hit your, and let's say you short here and you buy here and then market pull back again. Now you lose two trades. So it's very tricky. Oh man, this suit other tradable. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's a big push downside. Let's see. Well, let's see.
Order submitted.
Oh, there's a short trade. There we go. Why this one didn't take a trade? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Why? Why you didn't take this trade?
Order submitted.
There we go. We'll see now. Come on. Adding your limit order few ticks behind the target, sorry, the entry bar, it saves you a lot of losing trades, by the way. Someone asked me how do we know if today is going to be a sideways market or trending market, so you can pick the ATM for that day. The only way to know if this trade day is a trending day or sideways is when the market closes. That's the only time you can know. Before that, nobody can know. You know, Fugazi, the movie, what is it called? Wolf of Wall Street. We told him, Fugazi, nobody knows. When the market gonna go sideways or circle or whatever, this is the thing. Nobody knows. And no one will know, and no indicator can tell you that. Anything. All the indicators are lagging. So you can protect, you know, say, okay, it's a open, it's let's say it's oh yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So there is, as far as I know, maybe something is out there, I don't know, but as far as I know, there is nothing you can actually certainly for sure tell you this is going to be sideways market or trending market. Especially in futures. In stocks, you can say yes if the earning happen, you know, the gap, news, you can say this stock gonna move in one direction, but futures, it is sideways market by nature. It is not trending market. It's not. That's why holding position in future is stupid. If you wanna trade and hold positions, don't trade futures, like swing, like hold it for a long time. Don't do that. Just, you know, you can trade options if you do that, like SPY or QQQ. No. But future is good for scalping, in and out, in and out, in and out. You know, quickly. So this is the last bar. If this bar closed, this trade will be cancelled. Because actually this is the fifth bar. More videos about front to go.
Order
this-
cancelled.
There's another long trade. Why does one didn't take a trade? Come on, what is going on here? What is going on here? What happened to my computer? Oh yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. See, this is actually the difference. See? Now, this is MNQ. This is NQ. That's what I'm talking about. It's a different market. So you have a signal in Q, but you don't have a signal in MNQ. It could happen, by the way. It could happen because MNQ has different volume than NQ, different stuff. So that's the key. So MNQ, it doesn't take trade now. NQ does. So we'll see. So the long one here, we'll see what happens with this one. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna make some videos about front to go, yes. Yeah, the ATM slowly trail, yeah. Yeah. Come on. I think it's gonna hit the entry. I think so. There we go. Hit the entry now. We'll see. Come on, just move up. Just move up, man. Do not move down. Come on. Let's go. I see a wick here, so I might actually reduce my risk, reduce my stop. If the market's choppy here, I'm gonna actually move my stop loss here and reduce my risk, but we'll see. We still have 11 seconds, so if this happens, I'm gonna actually move my stop loss right here and exit this trade with small loss. I don't wanna lose more than this, but let's see. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna reduce my risk now. I already risking around 150 ticks, so $150 in this trade. So, yeah. If they hit my stop, I already don't risk because I don't want to give the profit I made. So I would be up. I will still be up $1,000, but I'm gonna give a chance to see. Here we go. Keep moving, buddy. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving, buddy. Come on, do not hit stop. Come on, be a good boy. Don't be shy. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Don't be shy. Move up. A lot of hesitation. Let's do its thing. So now in this trade, I don't care if head stop, head target. I don't care. I already make $1,000 almost. If I lost this one, come on, let's go. Here you go. Move, move, move up. Move up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to use my risk now in this trade here, right here. So I'm going to be almost break even. If I lost, it was like $50 or something, but I see a lot of hesitation, so I don't want to risk. And once the bar close above here, I'm going to add break even, and I'll be now in a free trade. We'll see. Break even now. So I'm going to add break even right now. So I'm break even now. Now I am already risk free. Do whatever fuck you want to do. I don't care. And also I'm going to secure. So, oh shit, that's a fucking big trade. Let's move this stop loss shit here. What the fuck? This, look at this. Look at this shit, man. You take some profit from this crap, man. Do not hit the market. You know, take the money from you. Take some profit along the way. We already secured from this 55 ticks. Let's go. Let's go. What a nice day today. $300 in this trade so far. Move my stop loss a little bit here more, like this one here, like this. I want to see. I already secured $300 from this trade, and I'm just looking for a wicks to hide my stop loss behind it. That's it.
Order cancelled.
Oh man, I fucking hit my stop. I'm gonna go up now. Shit, that's okay. It's gonna go up, man. It's gonna go up. Fuck, shit, man. It's gonna go up. Yeah, if this is my first trade, I might be actually moving my stop loss around this area because, you know. But anyway, it's gonna move up again, I think. Yeah, up $1,400 now. If this is your first trade, don't tie your stop. Just try to be wise about moving your stop because the market is still gonna move up, I think. We'll see. Nice 2 trades so far. Very nice. Look at these 2 trades. Trading stop reset after each push. What do you mean? ETM, ETM, it's gonna move. Whatever you want, you manage it. Whatever you add here, it will move. Whatever you add. And I'm jealous of this trade. I already exit early. Come on. Anyone still long? Anyone still long? Did you guys catch this long trade? What a beautiful day. You guys give me a moment, I'll be back, okay? Sorry guys about that. So, morning, good morning. So yeah, very nice day today. I'm the only one who has blank screen. Does anyone has blank screen? Because I can see the screen sharing now. Yeah, it was a very nice trade here. We'll see what happens. Okay, thank you. MNQ today just got two trades, one massive one, the other one didn't touch the entry. NQ3, massive one, didn't touch the entry, very nice one too. So we'll see. Check your screen. Okay, there's another trade here, let's see.
Order submitted.
Another short one. So we'll see what happened now. We'll see what happened. And again, if you really make 1400, whatever, you want to stop trading, you can. If you make money, like you hit your daily goal, you want to stop trading, you have to trade. You want to trade now. We'll see. Come on, let's move down.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. I'm gonna move my stop loss break even now because
Target filled.
Because of this shit, the daily. I'm going to reduce my risk now at this line here because of the daily. Once I see breakout, clear breakout for daily, I'm going to actually move my stop loss break even. I want to see, because there's a daily support resistance here. So I don't want to see, if I see rejection, I'm already tied my stop loss. That's it.
Stop filled.
So I'm not risking so much now. I'm risking around like 50 ticks or whatever. Maybe less than that. I'm risking now 32 ticks, which is very small risk. $160, no big deal. And if it hit my stop because of the daily, that's the reason. If it hit my stop loss, I'm fine. If it continue downside, I'm with you, buddy. I'm with you. Come on, move down. Come on, let's go, break the daily, break the fucking daily. Break the fucking daily, buddy. Come on, let's fucking break the daily. Let's go. Come on. Don't be shy, just go down. Don't be shy. There we go.
Order cancelled.
That's fine. But again, the market moved already in our favor. You can see it already moved from here to there. Already moved 54 ticks. So fixed target, it should be here. So fixed target hit already. And trailing, I just reduced my risk because I don't want to risk all of this, especially on a daily. That's a good thing about moving your stop loss manually is you can see what's happening in the market and you can react live. That's a good thing about moving your stop loss manually, if you can see actually what's happening. And the micro is still short. We'll see. I give away $160, so no big deal. And one of the template already hit the target because I have one of the template has 40 ticks profit. So one of the template already hit the target, which is template 8. Already hit the target. So we'll see what happened with this another ones. I actually have one template which is template 8. Template 8 actually has 40 ticks profit, 8 ticks stop. That's it. No trading, nothing. Just take 40 ticks profit and get the fuck out. And it's very good by the way. It's still back testing there, but it seems so good. Because the market again moving in our favor all the time for how many ticks we know, but mostly over 40. So it takes the profit quickly and get out. I'm interested in this, that didn't expect it to make sense. Interested in what, buddy? In a system you mean, Alpha A plus? Let me tell you this. I'm not going to say this because I'm the one who made it. Nothing in the market like Alpha A plus. Not even close. Nothing. I'm telling you because I've been in the market for almost 15 years. And I know what's out there. Nothing. You know. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Daily had big rejection now. We'll see. So we have a lot of positions open. We have the 6 microns for template 1, okay. And by the way, even when you are using the ATM in the strategy, you're not going to see any realized money in the strategy when you're using ATM. So it's not going to show in the strategy. It's going to show in the account because that's the way this trader be programmed. Oh yeah, the system, man, is, you know, ask the community how many, you know, if they like it or not. Yeah, it's something else. So fixed target hit here for the fixed target template. Trail, take a small loss. Micro 40 ticks hit. We're still in the micro 80 ticks stop. And we'll see what happens. 100 ticks stop actually. The good thing about this system, it's made actually of real price action with volume and supply and demand. So it doesn't take trades out of crossover or this crap. It does have some crossover confirmation, but it's not depending on 99% of any system out there is crossover systems. Crossover, that's it. This one is not. Completely not. It has 4 different signals. Some of them, like this one is 4, So some of them is a breakout trade, some of them is a reversal, some of them is volume. It's different. So it calculates a lot of stuff, and it is taking real trade from real market time, 1 minute time frame. So it's not using crappy Ranko chart or shit like that. Just using real time market, so you can actually test it on live real time trades, and it's calculated the signals on bar close and the target and the stop loss mostly after the bar close, which means if you back test it, be very accurate. There is no intra bar in and out. That's why if you using 1-to-1 risk or 2-to-1 risk or whatever, and you back test it in Ninja, the result will be 100% accurate, 100%, because it's not intra bar. Most of the system using like Renko or this crap, it looks very clean in the chart, but when you take the trade, it's garbage, because it is Renko bar. Renko bar means you can be in and out 5 times on 1 minute bar. In this scenario, any back testing in Ninja will be not accurate. Will be give you. I told you the story before. One guy, like it was like a long time ago, he sent me a screenshot of one. Oh, here we go for his target hit. Now, so now if
Target
you move now,
filled.
If you want to move your stop loss now, below break even, you can move it like 80 ticks above here. So if you hit your stop break even, you're gonna be like, if you hit your stop above here, you would be break even in the whole trade. If you wanna stay in the trade. But for this tape, it's break even, so we'll see. So target hit now. Come on. Like he showed me result for the system he made with crossover, whatever. I think like $3 million in 1 year, whatever, with $300 drawdown. Some shit crazy, because he using one type bar, like Renzo, Renko, whatever crap, and it's not accurate. And I told him, you know what, yeah, good for you, man. Just trade it live. Let me know. And he was like trading on Sim, and he lost the first day like $9,000 in one trade in 1 day. that's the trick. And this one here, no. Whatever you see in a strategy, like if you go to strategy analyzer and where are you? Strategy analyzer. Yeah, good for you, man. I'm not gonna see if I get payouts. So you go to strategy analyzer and you go to your V3. V4 will be available very soon, but we have V3 now, last one. And you go to the, let's say, the pre-market final. The pre-market final. And you backtest it for the whole year, let's say, whatever, from January 1st. And then you choose NQ. And you run. Here we go, market's actually moving now. 1 second, we see what's happening here. Oh, start trading the stop loss now. That's nice. So we'll see now. Still running. Market is move. I missed this trade, man. Come on. Good trade. But I think it's another trade anyway. That's fine. Oh, look at that. Look at this shit. Yeah, so easy, man. If you use Alpha Plus for a month or two, you're not gonna be able to do anything else. Trust me. Anything else in trading but gonna be doesn't make sense for you. Like placing trading manual, analyzing the market. Like I said, it is the time now to use AI. If you don't use it now, you're already behind. You don't need to analyze the market. Oh man, look at this shit. Look. Oh, and look at this. So now, this result $68,000, $7 grand, profit factor 182. This is a real trade from the whole year. And this is 100% accurate. 100%. Because it is taking the trade at after the bar close with the offset. The target and stop loss is 4-1. So the stop loss is and the stop loss is already at swing 20. So the stop loss is like behind 20 bars, and the stop loss is above 4-1, which is 4-1 risk reward, which is huge. 100% accurate. You can actually go to that chart and see the profit target and stop loss by yourself and see that. Let's see this trade. Oh man, look at this trade. Look at this shit trade. Look at this shit, man. Come on, I missed this fucking trade in the trading. Anyone still in this short for trading? Yeah, today was a beautiful trade today. Beautiful today. Anyone still short? If you're still short using your stop loss should be at the second dot now. So you should already be in the
Stop
money now,
filled.
around 55 ticks in the money, if you are still in this trade. Micro stop now, so we are up now $500. The micro template, you have any position open? No. Pre-market didn't take any trades today. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So this result, it is 100% accurate. 100%. It's not something we made it up, or you can actually go and in the chart. Forget about this. You can go to the chart and see, put the template and see the stop loss line here and the target here. You can see in every trade, every day, how many times hit the target, how many times hit the stop. By yourself. Go back and chart and see. You know. If you're using this template, which is I want to show you is the pre-market template. But we use different templates. You have like many different templates, and also we have that you can use your own ATM, like we do here in the new version. You can use your own ATM, and you can manage the trade from the ATM. Oh, which one is freaking close? You know, that's it. We'll see. Very nice day today. And your stop loss should be here now. So if you are in this trade, your stop loss should be around here. So you already secure 130 ticks. So that is another $600 on top of the 1,200. So the trading should be now around $1,800 profit. Yeah, man. Very nice trades today. Yeah, man. started pulling back now. We'll see. Move down. Move down, little buddy. Or up, whatever. So it should be stopped out in this trading now with a nice, very nice $600 profit. Make sure everything is. There is one. I see one here is maybe disabled. Why this one is disabled? Mm-hmm. 2.5. Come on. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Still pushing up now. Let's go. See if you know the trade or no. Pushing up now. Going to the daily again. Let's move. Mm. Still have 10, 25 minutes until we're done today. It's a very decent week, as usual. By the way, Alpha A Plus, it doesn't experience any losing weeks so far. Zero. There is losing days for sure, but there is no losing weeks. We don't have any losing weeks so far. And of course, no losing month. You know. So also you can, if you don't have the system here, you can actually, you can get the tracker. Why am I the internet is so slow, man? So this is a tracker. I'm going to give you the link. You can actually watch all the trades from the tracker. And you can see all the trades you take live every day. So let's say you want to see the trade happen yesterday. Just actually made yesterday. Different templates. So we have the trading stop. Trading stop actually was losing yesterday. The template trading stop was losing yesterday. $800. And pre-market swing 5 made 1200. Pre-market made 1200. Let's say December 2nd. Oh, we didn't get into December 2nd? December 2nd was Tuesday? 1 second here. No, I think we took trade. What do you mean we took? Right, December 2nd to December 2nd. Yeah, 2 trades. And the trailing stop, this actually, the trailing stop was actually up $1,700. And let's say from, let's say the month of November. So from November 1st until November 30, that's the money we make in November, 48 grand. You can see how much money each template made. So the trailing stop by itself, 14 grand in November. Pre-market template, $5,000. Swing 5, 24 grand. Fixed target, $3,000. You know, so on and so forth. So you can track the trades from here. Keep in mind the trade will be uploaded to the tracker after the market close. So you can go each day and see which trade we take, winning or losing, doesn't matter. No, we're not hiding anything. Any trade we take, winner or loser, it's already uploaded. So it's very transparent. You can see all the trades. You can see which time. You can see which template and also we're going to upload the new template we're using for the ATMs after 20 days from now, because we're still back testing a lot of ATMs. So we're going to upload. Once we pick the good ones, we're going to upload it here. Right? It's a very good one. Well, let's see. What sound? Which one? The window? Come on, man. Let's see if you have the trades. Come on. About 15 minutes almost. A very good session so far. Come on. Time remaining. We have 1 minute until your session close. Your obsession just closed now. have any other trade? Oh no, we'll see. We will see. Marcus is pushing us sideways now, a little bit. Good thing also, let's say I get now here and I edit now my daily profit target, let's say $1,000, let's say. I make my daily profit target for today is $1,000. Because it's not calculated live, but it's gonna show you once you already enable this, it's gonna show you here your daily max profit hit. Because you're already up more than $1,000. You know what I mean? That's the cool thing about it. For this one, just keep trading. And the same with the max daily loss. It will show you the max daily profit, then max daily loss, and if you hit it, it will actually stop trading and give you a message, your daily max profit or stop hit. So it's gonna keep you disciplined. Also, there's a very cool feature also here, when I talk about it, is the give back options. I love. And also keep in mind, you can use the unrealized, by the way. You can, if you check this, it will use the realized and unrealized daily profit target. But keep in mind, all this option, they're using unrealized, and this option down here, it is all if you're using if you're not using ATM. If you're using ATM, it's not going to do that. But if you're using unrealized plus unrealized, realized plus unrealized, which means if you profit target for today is $1,000, and you are in a trade, and this trade is up $1,000, still in a trade, market will actually, system will actually close the trade with the $1,000 profit. So it's going to use the realized plus the unrealized, if you check this. The very good option I like about the system also is the give back option, which is this one. So if you, let's say, if I am once, I already enabled this. That's why I didn't play this. Come on, I don't want to do that. So I want to disable this actually. So the give back means if I am up $1,000, I don't want to give up more than 80%, let's say, or 50%. So if I'm up $1,000, I don't want to give up more than 50%. Give me $500, let's say. So system will calculate any upcoming trades. If I am up more than, if this trade risking more than $500, it will not take the trade. So in this scenario now, I'm not giving away my profit. So in this scenario here, I'm doing $1,000, 80%, which means if I am up $1,000, I only want to give up to $800 in my trade. So I don't want to end up being up $1,000 and then down. No. So now I'm in the green side anyway. I don't want to, give up. You can make it 50%. If the trade risking more than $500, do not take the trade. Period. That's it. I want to make sure I'm up at least $500 in a day, you can do that. It's a very cool feature. So if you did 50% now in here, let's say 50%, any trade risking more than $500, it will not take it. So if you have any big bars or any like spike, 200 bars, stuff like that, it will not take the trade immediately, because you don't want to risk more than $500 anyway, so it will not take the trades. It's a very cool feature. Yeah, you can send it to our support email, yes. So in this scenario now, I'm up $1,200. Now, the max I can risk per trade is $500 moving forward, which means realistically, if any trade happening now during this 10 minutes, I will be only risking $500. So I'll be still up $700. That's the idea. So I'm not taking one trade. It sometimes happen. You get a trade, big bar happening, this bar like risking 200 ticks, and you lost whatever you made. So this option is not going to allow you to do that, to give away your profit, which is very cool. So yeah, so the system is actually going to make you relax. Put your rules, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of options, I know, but whatever works for you, whatever your risk parameters, depending on account size using, and just put them in, and let the system handle everything for you, and you relax. That's it. So it's not the good thing about AI Plus, it is not a signal system, or it's not a bot actually. It is everything. It is risk parameters, it is risk management system, it is trading system, it is everything. It is smart trader AI you hire. That's it. Put the rules, let it do the job. We have 4 minutes at the market until we're done today. There we go.
Order submitted.
see what happened now. We'll see. So this trade actually, from here to there, risking 60 ticks. This one risking $300. So they should actually take a trade. Why not take a trade? But let's take it. Let's see here. Why this one didn't take a trade? Oh, because I had my max profit? No. Hold on. 50% okay. If we change this to 80% and we label it. Oh, it hit the max profit. That's why. It hit the max profit. So this one stopped trading already. This one, the micro, still in the trade. Still no, didn't take the trade yet, but still looking for the trade. This for sure. This is the last trade. So already in the trading, we already secured $1,200. Let's see now for the micro what's gonna do. Keep in mind this 3 bars. So this is 1, 2, 3. After another 2 bars, this signal will be cancelled. Yeah. So now this actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more, one more bar, and then this order will be cancelled. So if you didn't subscribe to the system yet, this is the link for the 6-month subscription. Keep in mind, you have already in this 15 days money back guarantee. So within 15 days, if you decided you don't want to give it, you don't want to use the system, you don't like it for some reason, which I don't know, there's no way it's gonna happen, but you can give your money back. So there's gonna be 6-month subscription. You're gonna have all the things, all the templates, all the all the systems, everything included.
Order
Trading.
canceled.
So So this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after this bar closed, this signal will be cancelled and we should be done for today. So I'm just gonna wait this minute and then we'll see what happens. Very nice session today, very nice. Alright, that's it guys for today. We're done already. No more trades. And see you all in the morning tomorrow. And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.